Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Bachelor has rapidly become the most unrealistic reality show on television. According to Chris Harrison, not only do you have to be white and straight, you have to be skinny too. It's ironic because for a reality show, there's nothing real about The Bachelor.
Take our lead.
After a widely reported on incident in 2017, a 2-drink-per-hour limit was created. During filming for the 4th season of Bachelor in Paradise, an alleged sexual assault took place, prompting Warner Brothers to look into any potential misconduct that had happened. 7 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Producers might not print out scripts for the stars of The Bachelor, The Bachelorette and Bachelor in Paradise to follow, but they're definitely pulling some strings on each season's journey to find love. In fact, these behind-the-scenes masterminds sometimes even coach contestants on what to say and do. 18 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although no one is forcing the contestants to drink on the show, it is supplied by producers. Alcohol helps them open up to the cameras. It's how they get you to be more talkative, more sensitive, Season 17 contestant Leslie Hughes told the Daily Beast.
Let's help you make your mark.
In any given season, both The Bachelor and The Bachelorette earn a salary, but their suitors are reportedly not compensated. The bank account balances of past contestants run the gamut from very rich to totally unknown, all according to Celebrity Net Worth. 22 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.